So you hold your ground and you reach within. You hold your ground, reach within. If something doesn't seem right, see, and you trust what you know in your heart. Somehow you know that something's not quite right, so you just don't do it. You don't go for it. Or if it stresses you with something cruel, you just watch it. You just watch it. You don't react. You don't become angry. You don't become resentful. Just watch. And when you watch, see, you're standing back. You're not a part of it. You're not immersing yourself in it. And then the temptation passes. And you grow from that. Because when you don't react, then what you are is strengthened by that temptation instead of weakened. If you go for the temptation, either resenting it or giving into it, it takes your energy. But if you resist with enlightenment, with intuition, with reason, with patience, with long suffering, see? Without judging, without resenting, without hating, without using. Then in order to do that, you call upon something within, and you conform to the within. You conform to what you know in your heart. In other words, you're conforming to God's way. And you become a bit more adapted to Him and to His way. And then that means that He has to support what you are becoming. See? In obeying Him. He then has to support. You have to look to Him for support and for reinforcement. Whereas if you adapt to the environment, adapt to the new circumstances, adapt to the temptation that you're falling into, then it becomes your support. Then you need it. You need your booze. You need your marijuana. You need your consorts. You need your video games, your gambling. You need your education. You need other people's support. Are you a people pleaser? You need their support. See? You become dependent upon them, and you change. So you change, you become dependent upon them, you give up your life. It's a lose situation. But if you could learn to stand back and watch, and cling to what you know is right in your heart, then not only do you shine a light for others in an otherwise dark world, not only do you not fall, not only do you not give up your energy, but you actually grow in character from that experience. You grow. What did Christ say? Overcome evil with good. See? Overcome evil with good. My name is Roland.